All right, two more multiple choice problems. The first one says the slope at any point is equal to 3x squared y. Well, that means that dy dx equals 3x squared y. And they want to know the solution equation that goes through the point 0, 2, which is our initial value. So I actually need to separate my variables here by dividing by y and multiplying by dx. And then I can integrate both sides. And I integrate to the natural log of the absolute value of y equals x cubed plus 3. And then let's exponentiate on both sides, cancel out the inverses on the left, and I have the absolute value of y equals e to the x cubed, and I just realized I should have said plus c right above, so sorry about that. So e to the x plus c. Then when I absorb my absolute value, I just get ae to the x cubed. Now I can plug in the point 0, 2, and I actually just find out that a equals 2. So my equation is 2e to the x cubed, which is choice A. Number 13, finally we need a calculator for one of them. They're telling us that acceleration due to gravity is negative 5.28. And they're saying that an object is thrown upward with an initial height of 1,000 feet and velocity of 56 feet per second. So we're going to integrate through velocity to get to position. So if I integrate acceleration to get to velocity, I'll get negative 5.28t plus c. And I'm told that my initial velocity is 56. So my velocity equation is negative 5.28t plus 56. Then I need to integrate to get to position, so that's s of t. I go up another degree, so negative 5.28t squared over 2 plus 56t plus some other c value, which they gave me as 1,000. So my position equation is going to be negative 5.28 over 2 t squared plus 56t plus 1,000. The question then is the velocity 4.5 seconds later, and now I'm realizing I didn't even need the position equation, even though I did it. They just want to know the velocity at time equals 4.5. So let's pull out the calculator, and we're going to go ahead, I'll set up a new problem here, and then I'll plug in the velocity equation of negative 5.28 t plus 56, and I will evaluate that such that t equals 4.5. My answer is 32.24, which I see as choice C.